Bafethu, there's a nephew Yaga Cyril Ramaphosa who had about 9 companies at Tembisa Hospital, and those companies made him 400 million. 400 million. One family related to the president. Now, I'll go through the list of the companies that he had, or the companies that were doing business at Tembisa Hospital. Now, the first company is Black Paper. No, the first company is Magnolia Trading Enterprise. We have a Black Paper Trading and Supplies. We have a Moraka Development and Safety. We have a Hasty On-Time Suppliers. We have a Major Good Suppliers. We have a Brown Lilies Trading. We have the Exclusive Pioneers Trading. We have a Hybrid or Hybrid Pioneering Trading Enterprise. And then we have the MHR Premium Trading Enterprise. Those 9 companies, they were generating 400 million from a Tembisa hospital. Now, igama lalumshana waka Cyril Ramaphosa is uHangwani Morgan Maumela. And in social platforms or in News 24, they say that uHangwani Morgan Maumela is a big boss yaga Vusiket Matlala. Now, Hangani Maumela, obviously, if he's a big boss and he's making such monies, then he obviously lived the lifestyle. So, Hangwani Maumela had a property at Bentry Bay. Property corner was valued at 75 million. He also had another property at Campus Bay. It was valued at 32 million. Had another property at Pick and Wood Estate. It's in Hartbeespoort Sport. It was valued at 13.5 million. Had another property at Hellingham Home. It was valued at 13 million. Bought a stand, a Centene, Sandhurst. That stand, the stand alone, at 16 million. Then bought a Zimbali, and it costed him 35 million. Bought another one, Zimbali, for 35 million. And Google Gonke Logo Futi, he had 4 Lamborghinis and he had 1 Bentley. And Nabayhlanganisi Malakod, it is said ukuthi everything it amounted, or it had a value of 325 to 326 million. So it's all those properties I counted, plus 4 Lamborghinis, plus 1 Bentley. Zenza 325 to 326 million. And then he also had a boat, and the boat corner, it's valued at 1.9 million. Now, in everything that I counted, it's just houses. We haven't counted furniture. We haven't counted the lifestyle yake. We haven't counted the lifestyle probably of the family members. It's just in J properties. Let's assume it's empty properties, nothing inside. And Ngonke Logo, it was bought under MHR Family Trust. What makes this thing more interesting, when they say Guti Maumela is a boss to Vusiket Matlala, there was one time where Upegitela, I think he needed a place to sleep, allegedly contacted Vusiket Matlala. And then Vusiket Matlala managed to organize a place to sleep for Begitele Zimbali. So Maumela, there's a tracking code, access code sent to Vusiket Matlala, and Vusiket Matlala sent the code to, allegedly, Ubegitele. And when Ubegitele is being asked about Maumela, Begitele says, that is the president's nephew. Begitele says, asikhohlwe nje amabhizinisi awayenzayo, asikhohlwe amatenda or tender bekayiphusha eTembisa Hospital. For the fact yokuthi he's a nephew to the president, Begitele says, angmazi. Now, before we go to the relationship yaka Begitele, Ket Matlala, and Mr. Maumela, let's go back to a Tembisa Hospital. Now, there's a lady by the name of Ubabita who was unalived for being a whistleblower. Now, Ubabita is the one person that flagged those payments that were made to these companies, and then she basically stopped the cash flow. She stopped the money coming from Tembisa Hospital to those companies, and then she reported lento leyo. Hence, she is said that she's a whistleblower. And I don't want to say ukuthi uMomela was involved in unaliving uBabita. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying ukuthi uBabita was the one who flagged those payments, and uBabita was the one who called it out, and uBabita was the one who stopped payments towards these companies. And also keep in mind that uMomela started supplying Tembisa Hospital with supplies from these companies in 2018, when Cyril Ramaphosa was now the president of South Africa. Coincidence? What do you think?